Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can separate audio from video in CapCut. So you simply need to do is to open CapCut, click on import, and now I'm going to import a video. So let me select a video here, add that video into the timeline. So let me show you that video have voice as well. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's So now I'm going to show you how you can separate. So you simply need to click the right mouse cursor. Here you can see different options. So you simply need to click here, that is extract audio, and now you can see that audio and videos are separate. Here you can see audio and that is video, and you can move audio freely without any issue. So here you can see. So this is a process how you can separate audio from video in CapCut. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.